In this video, I'm going to show you how to download your Epic Games account info step by step so you can request a copy of your data in just a few minutes. This is useful if you want to review your account details, check your purchase history, see your login activity, or simply keep a personal record of your Epic Games information. If you find this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Now let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to epicgames.com, then sign in with the Epic Games account you want to download information from. Once you're logged in, move your mouse to your username in the top right corner of the page and click on Account. This will take you to your account settings where you can manage your profile, security, and account data. On the account settings page, scroll down until you find the section labeled Download Account Information. This is the area Epic Games uses for data requests, and it's where you can ask for a downloadable copy of your account details. When you find it, click the Request Download button. After you submit the request, Epic Games will begin preparing your file. Depending on how old your account is and how much data needs to be compiled, this can take up to 24 hours or even longer in some cases. So if you don't see the download right away, that's completely normal. Epic will send you an email once your file is ready, so keep an eye on the email address linked to your account. When the download becomes available, you'll typically receive a PDF file that contains several important sections. It may include your account details such as your display name, account ID, and connected social accounts. It can also include your transaction history, which shows purchases and free games you've claimed over time. In some cases, it may include login history, such as IP addresses and timestamps for recent sign-ins. You may also see game stats for supported games like Fortnite or Rocket League. If your goal is to check what data Epic has stored on your account, this is the easiest way to do it. And if you're doing this for security reasons, reviewing your login history and connected accounts can be especially helpful. Just remember that you may need to wait before the file is ready, so be patient after submitting the request. Once you've downloaded the file and reviewed it, you're all set. You now know how to request and download your Epic Games account info safely and quickly. If this video helped you out, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.